Whoa. So today we have a package from Zhenzhen. There's no indicator what company is this, but I'm hoping that this is for the Insta360 Mic Air for nagbuhat tayo ko na siya video B. Chance. Okay, so I'm sorry for the noise. Yeah, so it is the Mic Air. So it came 3 weeks, so almost a month. Ordered this after I had my X5 because this is the only mic that I know of that will work without an adapter. Not the GO3S, not the X4, not any other product from Insta360. It's only at the moment for X5. So in the box, I will have the transmitter, windshield, charging base, button magnet, pendant, clip magnet, carry case. Oh, good. And then the guide. All right. So I ordered this directly from Insta360 website for $58, paid through PayPal. So there it goes. Let me finish unboxing. Papers. And by the way, I'm using the GO3S, and then this is the external audio output of the GO3S from Insta also. Oh, like China dust from China. So it comes with this pack. Oh, so it's so tiny. Is that hair? So there's hair. Cut hair? Oh no, it's of course the wind guard, wind muff. All right, so that tiny. This I think I can only use this for the Insta360 as far as I know. Hopefully I can also use this for the phone and the other devices later once it gets an update in firmware. So there's the charging. It's magnetic. It's not USB-C as you can see. It's USB-A. What else in the package? So as mentioned on the box, this is I think a magnetic pendant. Oh, there. And then it's also good that they have this. You can keep your stuff. What else? I think everything's gonna be magnetic. All right, so that's the unboxing of the Insta360 Mic Air. That's everything that you'll get. Whoa. I know from videos that for the mic mini, snaps right in without the rubber. So I think this is also sturdy. So let me test and maybe include that in this video. Then we'll see. So we will test the new mic to the X5. Turn this on. I have an unboxing for this X5, but because I don't have that good lighting, so I'm not gonna post that. By the way, I got this from Lazada, not directly from Insta360. I also got a, if you would care, an insurance for that. I know that if you order it directly from their website, from Insta360 website, you can get an extended warranty and also insurance. So let's try this out, and I hope you can see it's blinking. Does it have NFC? No, there's no NFC. So I haven't read the manual, so I think I should have. So I think it's in here. Bluetooth remote, not connected, Bluetooth headset, microphone here. Searching. Oh, there. Weird, because the icon is not the Insta360, it's a Apple AirPods. It's a weird icon. I don't have to reach and then record or do some pressing here. I can just press from the mic itself and then maybe end also the recording.